वालेकुम अस्सलाम नबीना अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Welcome to the virtual lecture of maths subject. I hope you all are fine and doing good and safe at your home. Everybody open your camera and focus your camera on your faces. So we could start the lecture. So everybody open your cameras. Okay. Now let's start the lecture. Welcome to SM Public Academy Campus 5. This is your math subject, class 3, and I am your teacher, Mrs. Anara Yunus. As you all know that our syllabus has been completed and now we are doing the revisions of the chapter. Alhamdulillah, we have completed the revision of fraction, measurement, money, and today we are doing the revision of time. Yesterday we discussed about the time of the clock. Today we will discuss about the chapter time, and the topic is calendar. The topic is calendar. Now, why we use calendar and what is the use of calendar in time? Here you can see we measure time in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, year with clock and calendar. What we do? We measure the time. For a smaller period of time we use seconds, minutes and hours, and for this we use clock. Yesterday we have discussed how to tell the time in clock, and now for the longer period of time, or like days, weeks, months, year, we use calendar. This is the clock. Here we have studied how to tell the time through the clock, and today we will discuss about how to tell the date and days, months and year through the calendar. This is a calendar. You can see here. What is the calendar? What does it tell? It tells us about the days, weeks and months of the year. Clock tells us about the time for hours, minutes, seconds, and calendar tells us the time, days, weeks and months. Okay? This is the calendar which we use in our home. I hope that you have seen this at your home also. Now, what is the use of calendar? It is used for day-to-day planning and for keeping track for special events. Why we use calendar? Because we use for our day-to-day planning and for keeping track for special events. For example, if you want to planned for birthdays, parties, or different events. So we use calendar. Okay. Now, how many calendars are there? There are many calendars which are used all over the world, but the most common calendars are solar calendar and lunar calendar. The most common calendars are solar calendar and lunar calendar. Solar calendar. What is solar calendar? Solar calendar is on the basis of the movement of the sun. Here you can see that solar calendar is on the basis of the movement of the earth around the sun. We all know that the earth revolves around the sun. So this calendar is based on the movement of the earth around the sun. And we all know that the earth revolves around the sun it makes one revolution. When this earth makes one complete revolution around the sun, it takes around 365.24219 days. And when it completes the one complete revolution around the sun, then it means that it is equals to 1 year. Okay, beta? One revolution of the earth around the sun equals 1 year at 365.24219 days. Okay, but what we do, we make the total number of days in a year is 365 days. So what about this 3.24219 days? We don't count it in a year. What we do, it has 365 days in a year, but every fourth year is a leap year. But every fourth year is a leap year, and extra day is added to the month of February. Where comes the extra day? This 0.24219, when the earth revolves around the sun, it completes the revolution, and this 0.24219 we don't count it every year. We separate it, and when this 0.24219 day make 24 hours, then we add it in the leap year, and this extra day is added in the month of February. We don't add this extra day in any month. We add it in the month of February. Then now each month is either of 30 or 31 days, except the month of February, which has 28 or 29 days. Each month is either 30 or 31 days except the February. Why February? Because normally it has 28 days, but in each leap year the February has 29 days. Okay, February has 29 days in leap year. Okay, not every year. In leap year it has 29 days. And why it becomes 29 days? Because an extra day is added in the month of February in the leap year. The year in which February has 29 days is called a leap year. Okay, every year is not a leap year. The only year in which February has 29 days is called a leap year. A leap year has 366 days and comes after every 4 years. Normally a year has 365 days, but in leap year the year has 366 days, and after every 4 years it comes. Okay, remember this point, that leap year comes after every 4 years and it has 366 days. Now the names of the months of the year is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months in a year and these are the names of the months. Okay. Now we have studied about the solar calendar. Now we will study about the lunar calendar. That what is lunar calendar? Because we know that there are the two common calendars are lunar calendar and solar calendar. So lunar means moon. As the way as we know that the solar means sun, in the same way lunar means moon. So the lunar calendar is on the basis of the movement of the moon around the earth. In solar calendar we see that the earth revolves around the sun and it was depend on the movement of the earth around the sun, and here in the lunar calendar it depends on the movement of the moon around the earth. Okay. When the earth complete movement around the earth, it makes complete 29 or 29 or 30 days. Okay. The Islamic calendar is lunar calendar consisting of 12 months in a year and 354 and 355 days. Normally, the Islamic calendar is consists of a lunar calendar. It based on the movement of the moon around the earth. So the Islamic calendar is not a solar calendar; it is a lunar calendar, and it consists of 12 months. Okay, and the number of days in a lunar calendar is either 354 or 355 days. Okay, remember that the number of days of lunar calendar and solar calendar is different. The number of days in a solar calendar is 356, and here in this lunar calendar is 354 or 355 days. When as I told you that the Islamic calendar is based on the lunar calendar, so that's why it is used in many Islamic countries. The lunar calendar is mostly used in many Islamic countries. It is not commonly practiced in European countries and the other non-Muslim countries. Normally it is used in many Islamic countries. It is also used by Muslims to determine the proper days of Islamic holidays and rituals such as annual period of fasting, that is Ramadan, and proper time for the pilgrimage to Makkah, Zilhaj. Why it is used by Muslims and how they use for determining the days of Islamic holidays, for determining the days for determining the Islamic months like Ramzan, Shawwal and Zilhaj, in which they make a they make fasting fast. That's why they use Islam lunar calendar. Now, how many months of the lunar calendar? The lunar calendar has also 12 months, but the names are different. I hope you all know the names of the lunar calendar, the Islamic months. The names of the Islamic months of the lunar calendar is Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Thani, Jamadul Awwal, Jamadul Thani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Zikr and Zilhaj. The first month of the lunar calendar is Muharram, and in the month of Ramadan, Muslims keep fasting. In the month of Shawwal, the Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr. In the month of Zilhaj, the Muslims celebrate Eid al-Adha, and some Muslims go to the Makkah to offer Hajj. Now come to the calendar. Now we will do the work. So you will tell me how to solve and how to find the answer to this calendar. Okay, everybody will tell me the answer in the chat box. Okay, everybody will tell me the answer in the chat box. So this is the calendar, you can see here. This is the calendar, and it is about the month of February 2011. It is about the month of February 2011. As we all know, the number of days in a week are 7, and the names of the weeks are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And as we know that in the month of February, the days are either 28 or 29. Now you will tell me through this calendar that whether it is a calendar of a leap year or not. Whether this calendar is a calendar of the month February here has 28 days. So whether it is a calendar of leap year or not. Yes, who will tell me the answer? Who will tell me the answer? Tell me beta in the chat box that this month February has 28 days here. So is it a leap year or not? Yes beta. Is it a leap year or not? What I told you that in the leap year February has 29 days. February has 29 days. So here in this calendar you can see the number of days are 28. The number of days are 28, so it means that it is not a leap year. No, Mohammed Usman beta, it is not a leap year because in this calendar the number of days in the month of February is 28. So that's why this is not a leap year calendar. Okay. Now tell me what day of the week is February 28? What day of the week is February 28? Everybody do it in the rough copy. Just write the question and answer. Okay, just write the question and answer there. If you don't have a time, don't need the calendar, just write the question and answer. Everybody take out your loose sheet. Beta, take out your loose sheet and start doing your work with me. First of all, take out your loose sheet and write down the question and do it with me. Yes beta, do it with me. Open your camera so I could see it, that whether you are doing your work or not. Yes, Hashi, you want to ask something? Hashi,
यस मिस
बेटा आप कुछ पूछना
ये
चाह रहे
काम करना है।
जी बेटा, ये आपकी प्रैक्टिस है ना, तो आप कैलेंडर बेशक ना बनाए लेकिन क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स करें साथ साथ. ओके
ओके मिस, थैंक यू।
करवा करवा आपने बेटा मुझे मैथ्स की काउंटडाउन बुक नहीं दी है. आपकी काउंटडाउन बुक मेरे पास नहीं आई है फॉर चेकिंग. Afsa, are you doing your work? Afsa, beta, are you doing your work? Anya, beta, you are supposed to do these questions and answers in your loose sheet, okay? In any rough copy or in any loose sheet. Take out any loose sheet or any rough copy No need to draw the calendar, but write down the questions and the answers. Very good. Hafsa. What about Isar? Isar, are you doing your work? Zoha, Asif, you have not given me your countdown book for checking. The whole chapter, information handling, was unchecked. How you will do your work and how you will practice without the teachers checking. You have not given me the book countdown. Now, what day of the week is February 28? What day of the week is February 28? Who will tell me the answer? Yes. Isar. Beta, you tell me. By looking at the calendar, tell me what day of the week is February 28. 28 फरवरी को क्या डे है? देखिए तो कैलेंडर में, मुझे बताइए. यस बेटा, टेल मी. फरवरी किस डे को आ रहा है? कौन सी डे है? व्हाट डे ऑफ द वीक इज February 28? Isar, are you doing your work? Yes, Hafsa, tell me beta, you tell me Hafsa. Wait. Yes. Who will tell me? Monday. Very nice. Very good. So, the day of the week is February 28. Monday. Very nice. Now, question number 2. What day of the week is February 20? What day of the week is February 20? Nabiha Osam, unmute yourself and tell me that what day of the week is February 20?
Sunday.
Yes, very good, beta. Very nice. Day is Sunday. So what we will write here? Sunday. Then come to the what date. Now here the question is date, not the date. Okay, what day is the second Saturday in February? First of all, we will look here in the column of Saturday, and there the second Saturday. So the first Saturday is on 5 February, and the second Saturday is on. Who will tell me the answer? Mohammad Usman. Yes, beta, you tell me that what date is the second Saturday in February?
Miss 12.
12. Excellent, beta. Shabash. Very nice. So, you write here the answer 12 February. Now, Mohammed. Yes, beta. You tell me that what day.
Yes, miss.
Yes, beta. What day is the third Monday in February? Now come to the column of Monday and see what is the date is the third Monday in February. First Monday is 7 February. Second is 14 and the third Monday is
Miss 21.
very nice. So the answer is 21. Very good beta. Now Arham beta, you tell me that what day of the week is February 14? What day of the week is February 14? Look at the calendar and see that on which day the 14 February is lying. Look at the calendar and see where is the 14 February. Here you can see. Yes beta, हम बेटा आपको समझ में आ रहा है? ये देखिए यहाँ 14 फरवरी लिखा हुआ है.
Yes, Miss Monday.
Yes, very nice. The answer
Miss
is
Monday.
yes beta, correct. Very nice. So the day of the week is Monday. 14 February has Monday. Okay. Are you doing your work, everybody? Do it in any loose sheet. Okay. Now, how many Sundays are there in the month of February? Hania, beta, you tell me. Hania, you tell me that how many Sundays are in the month of February? Look at the Sunday column and count how many Sundays are there. Total कितने Sundays हैं? Yes बेटा, count the number of Sundays. नहीं बेटा, Sundays देखें कितने हैं. Check it. कितने Sundays हैं?
4.
Yes, 4 हैं. ठीक है. Number of Sundays in the month of February is 4. Now, Mehak Ali Rizvi. Mehak, beta, you tell me that how many days are there in February? How many days are there in February? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yes, Mehak. Mehak, tell me the answer, beta. Hafsar Mahan. Okay. Mehak, you are not telling me the answer. So, Rasif, you tell me. Rasif. Unmute yourself and tell me that how many days are there in February? How many days are there in February?
$28.
28. Very nice.
Yes, we need to do this part.
Yes, beta. What I told you that do it in any loose sheet. Okay? Do it any loose sheet. There is no need to draw the calendar. Just write the questions and answers of these questions. Okay? So, number of days in the Month of February is 28. Now, I hope you have done this work. Now, come to the another calendar. Everybody have done this work? Everybody have done this work? So I could start the new work. Now see. This is the calendar, this is another calendar, and here the month of this calendar is August 2012. Okay, and here they have given you the calendar. The number of days in the August month is 31. Okay, it start from 1 and the end at 31. The first day, the first August was on Wednesday, and the last day 31 was on Friday. So tell me, first of all, how many days are in August? How many days are in August? Tell me to the chat box that how many days are in August. Yes, beta. Tell me in the chat box. How many days are in August? Fatma, there is no need to write this work. Just tell me the answer. You have done one exercise, so now no need to write this work and do this work. फातिमा बेटा आप ये कैलेंडर देखकर मुझे बताइए कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज कितने हैं इसके अंदर. फातिमा now here the number of days, total number of days is 31. The total number of days in August is 31. What date did July finish on? Here you can see that 1st August was on Wednesday. So before 1st August there was the last day of July. So on which day the July finish? Yes, who will tell me on which day the July month finish? Yes, Hafsa. Okay, Hafsa, I am going to unmute you. You will tell me that Hafsa. Yes, beta. Unmute yourself.
Miss,
जी बेटा.
what day did July finish on?
जी. कौन सा डे होगा जुलाई का लास्ट डे जब
That's one.
जी 1st अगस्त वेडनेसडे को है तो जो लास्ट डे था जुलाई का वो किस डे को हुआ होगा?
July 31.
31 तो है लेकिन वो होगा किस दिन? अगर 1 जुलाई जो है वो आपका 1 अगस्त आपका वेडनेसडे को स्टार्ट हुआ है तो 30 जुलाई आपका किस डे को हुआ होगा?
31 Saturday.
नो बेटा,
Saturday.
ट्यूसडे. वेडनेसडे आपका जो है 1 अगस्त है तो उससे पहले ट्यूसडे हुआ होगा ना आपका. जब जुलाई खत्म होता है तो जुलाई के बाद अगस्त
Yes.
स्टार्ट होता है. व्हेन द जुलाई फिनिश
Yes, it's 31
then the
Tuesday.
August start, and if the 1st August is lying on Wednesday, so it means that the 30th July was on Tuesday. Okay beta, so we
Yes,
will write
Tuesday.
here Tuesday. Now who will tell me the third question? Who will tell me the third question? What day will August finish on? फिर अगस्त का जो मंथ है वो किस डे को फिनिश हो रहा है? Yes. Yes, Rasif. Yes, Rasif, you tell me that what day will August finish on? Better, the time can be finished at any time. Okay, listen carefully. The time
Friday.
can be, yes, very nice. The time can be finished at any time. So I am doing it quickly. What day will August finish on? It means that the Friday is the last day of the month. So the August finish on Friday. What day will it be on the 1st of September? अब अगर अगस्त आपका फ्राइडे को ख़त्म हो रहा है तो 1st सितंबर किस डे को होगी? 1st September will be on the Saturday, क्योंकि आपका लास्ट डे जो है वो आपका फ्राइडे है, तो नेक्स्ट मंथ का फर्स्ट जो होगा इट विल बी ऑन सैटरडे. इट विल बी ऑन Saturday. Now tell me what day will it be on the 2nd August? Yes, Mohammad Usman, बेटा you tell me किस 2nd अगस्त किस डे को हो रहा है? 2nd अगस्त किस डे को हो रहा है? 2nd August. What is the day on 2nd August? Yes, Mohammad Usman, are you telling me the answer, beta? Look at the calendar and tell me. Yes. So the 2nd August will be on Thursday. Okay. The 2nd August will be on Thursday. Then the 9th August will be on Thursday. 2nd August and 9th August both will be on Thursday. Okay. Then 21st August will be on Tuesday. 21st August will be on Tuesday. And 5th September you have to count it. Okay, you have to count it and then write that on which day 5th September will be lying. Okay, on which day 5th September will be lying. If you make the calendar, here you will see that 5th September will be lying on Wednesday. The 5th September will be lying on Wednesday. Okay. I hope you have learned how to tell the time, tell the days, weeks and year through the calendar. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will study about the new chapter, information handling. Okay. Till then, thank you and Allah Hafiz.